Morning. Another day, another werewolf test. Today we're going to do it on the Pixel 4 XL. And then also, we happen to have a special guest here.
Hey man.
Saf's in town. So real quick though, we're going to go get some coffee because, duh.
That's how every day starts.
That's right. Coffee, check. And if you guys aren't familiar with Real World Test on this channel, is where I'm going to try to go through like my normal day and just do all the normal things I do on the phone. Just because I don't show them on camera, by the way, doesn't mean I didn't do them. Like I'm going to use WhatsApp, I'm going to use Gmail. It's just boring for you guys to watch. But I'm going to do all of that, and I'm going to check in on the battery throughout the day to see how it's doing. I'm really curious to see how the Pixel 4 battery does, obviously. But then also take photos with it and some of its competitors and put those up on the screen so you guys can compare them all. Now that day today is going to consist of Saf and I actually heading out, and we're going to take some photos, I assume.
Yep.
Both of us on our Pixels. Want to test them out. And yeah, we'll see how that goes. And while we're here, let's check in on the battery because we haven't done that yet today. It is 12:37 p.m. I took it off at about 8 a.m. and we are at 72%.
Nice.
So it's raining out, and decided to show Saf the new filming studio. If you've been following along, you'll know what that means. If not, don't worry. Gonna be doing like a studio tour when this is all ready, but it's basically me and a few other YouTubers you guys know that are kind of joining forces and getting one big filming studio for all of us. Yeah. All right, Saf, what do you think of the space?
It's awesome. It's tempting me to move here and have a space here, man. It's
Dude, man, you can stay here.
I could actually
Put
stay
your
here.
a little futon, you'd be good to go.
There you go. Like I just hang out here. So whenever I come down, it's just like I'm just gonna hang out. Forget paying for hotels. Why bother?
Yeah, man. Just
Still
crash on the couch, man. We're good.
It's cool, man.
All right, well, now it's actually stopped raining, so we're gonna head out. It is 3:48 p.m. and we are at 51%. Well, Sav's getting ready at his hotel. Let's talk a little bit about the phone. There's something I want to talk about. First is the design. I actually really like it. I like the minimalistic look. I like the pop of color, in this case, a lot of color. I think Google's actually getting really good at their design language across the board of all of their made by Google hardware. The Google Homes, the Nest products, and now these phones. So it definitely has like a really nice feel to the back. I like it. And thankfully, we no longer have the stupid notch. It's gone, which is great. There is a bit of a bezel at the top, but honestly, that doesn't bother me as much as that notch did. So also another plus for the design. Okay, and in a sec, we're gonna go head to dinner. We're meeting up with another friend of ours named MJ. But right now, it is 5:24 p.m., and we're at 31%. Okay, and something a little unusual for these videos. Normally we would keep going, but unfortunately it is 8:56 p.m. and we are at 1%. Now, Pixels always have had historically not great battery life, and it just kind of seems that as much as we were hoping for it on this one, it's still not quite good. I would say it's probably better than the Pixel 3 XL, honestly. Like, they've made improvements, but still not the greatest battery life out there. What are you gonna do? Here, though, is my screen on time and my usage. I also left the screen and basically all of the other settings in default, like adaptive battery settings, where it like tries to optimize the battery, was all on as it normally would be. The 90 hertz, 60 hertz switching of the screen that it does automatically to save battery life, that was also on as well. So it was 90 hertz some of the time and 60 some of the others. Let me know what you guys think though of the phone, of this video, of the photos you saw, all that fun stuff in the comments below. Always love hearing from you guys, and I'd love to read those. Otherwise, though, if you like this video, please thumbs up it or share it. It's greatly appreciated. Also, check out the rest of the channel if you like what you see there. Please subscribe and ding the bell next to where subscribe so you get notified when I do new videos. As always, though, regardless, thanks for watching.